Okay, Starsky and Hutch 21st Century Family Explorers houseboat again. Just want to show you, look, all the rubbish down here. And as you come along, there's more rubbish there, down there. There's all this rubbish down here too, as you can see quite clearly. Bottles and cans and rubbish. Now, there's a lot more to this yet. I just want to show you we've had a CBA supermarket here, rubbish here, cans here. Starsy's making a friend with a phone. Now, why I'm making this video is to prove sort of like a point that there's not many birds around here, as you can see, and definitely there's not many homeless around here, and 100% there's no tourists. So where's this coming from, this rubbish? Could it be from the people of Hungary maybe doing this? Could be. But we'll just show you a bit more of what they're doing too. Alright, so opposite the supermarket now, all those cans of rubbish down there, here. There's all this stuff up here, cigarettes, polystyrene here. You'll see there's all more stuff down here. You can see plenty of it down there. Here, bottles and plastic. There's that side of the cafe area here now. So I definitely don't think it's a tourist. I don't think there's any tourists around here. There's nothing really for them to come for. I don't think it's the birds. I don't see any. And definitely not the homeless. So please, none of your excuses as usual. There's more rubbish down there, as you can see. There's plastic and everything else down there. Cans here. Bits of rubbish here. So, I think you get my point, my message there, that you don't seem to blame everybody else, but there's plastic down there too. Bottles down there. And people keep saying to me, why don't I pick it up? Have you seen how much rubbish there is? You go and pick it up. Come on. Get a gang of you out there, start picking up, clean up your country. For sure there's even more as we go along. There's plastic cups and stuff down here. Cans. There's rubbish over there. Bottles and stuff in there. So all along here, plastic bottles, stuff like this, tops, bits and pieces. It's all here. Yeah. We haven't stopped yet. All this rubbish here. So you get an idea where we are. And this is just like a little walk. Like I said, I don't choose these places, I just go and I'm here. Wherever I go, it's just there. You might think I might be going around looking for specific places. I don't. I'm staying near here. I just went and walked to the supermarket to get some stuff. And then you just see all this rubbish. So, I think I've made my point quite clear. If you're not convinced there's rubbish, well, I'll show you a bit more. Cans there. We come into it again, here we go. All this plastic rubbish all here. Here, bottles and rubbish. Bottle. All rubbish up here. Here, another plastic bottle. Polystyrene. Cans. More plastic, another bottle. Plastic bottle. Plastic. Can. I say, told you, plenty of it. We've got plenty to do, and it's just one side of the road. Looks on the other side. Another can, plastic, another can, polystyrene, can, bottle, plastic bottle, can, plastic bottle, Right, so I think we'll leave it there. You know there's enough rubbish now for you to go picking up. So bottle, can, bottles. Maybe you can blame the truck drivers this time. Maybe you can blame on them. They'll give you something to talk about.